Hello everyone, today in this tutorial we will discuss about how to find the biggest number of any two numbers using Python programs. New file. First line as a comments line, and after execution this program, this line is not run. Write a Python program to find the biggest number of any two numbers. A equal int input enter the value of a column. Here a is a variable name and b is a variable names, and int is a data types. The input enter the value of b colon. Next we are check the value of a and b, so we are use the keywords if and here check the a variables. Here check the value of a greater than b colon. If a is greater than b is true, then print a is the biggest number, otherwise else b is the biggest number. Okay, here F5, the shortcut key, is used to run a Python programs. Biggest any2.py. here biggest any2 is a primary name and .py is a secondary name. Enter the value of a. Suppose a equal 10 and b equal 30. b is the biggest number. 30 is the biggest number. Okay, thank you. Any query you can ask me.